Since it was writer's responsibility to take care of Curry, so he used to take him every morning to the bank of the river. He would lie down on the sandbank as I rubbed him with the clean sand of the river for an hour. And what did Curry do there? He used to lie down at the bank of the river, and the writer used to rub him with the clean sand. After that, he would lie in the water for a long time. On coming out of his skin would be shine like ebony. So when Curry, after 1 hour in water, when he came back, the skin of the Curry, of the elephant, used to shine. Now then I would take him by the ear, because that is the easiest way to lead an elephant. So if you want to lead an elephant, what you should do? You should take him by the ears and leave him on the edge of the jungle. And where did the writer used to leave him? In the edge of the jungle. While I went into the forest to get some Lucius twigs for his dinner, one has to have a very sharp hatchet to cut down these twigs. As you know very well, what is the food of elephants? They used to eat bananas and twigs. So the writer has to do a lot of hard work. He has to have a hatchet, and with its sharp hatchet, he could arrange the juiciest and tasty twigs for Curry. It takes half an hour to sharpen the hatchet, because if a twig is mutilated, an elephant will not touch it. Okay, so the writer has to make the hatchet very sharp, so that the twig would not mutilate it. Now, it was not an easy job for writer to get twigs and saplings for Curry. Why? Because he has to climb all kinds of trees to get the most delicate and tender twigs. Means since the Curry used to eat tender and juiciest twigs, so the writer has to climb on the trees and collect the twigs. As he was very fond of the young branches of banyan tree, which grows like a cathedral of leaves and branches, I was gathering some one spring day in March. So what was Curry very fond of? He was fond of young branches of banyan tree. Why? Because it grows like a cathedral leaves. So the writer used to collect these branches. When I suddenly heard Curry calling to me in the distance. So when the writer was collecting these twigs, what happened? Curry was calling him one day. As he was still very young, the call was more like that of a baby than that of an elephant. I thought somebody was hurting him, so I came down from my tree. So when the writer